Today is Tuesday morning and we have a really bad snowstorm is going on. Here is my work and I have to drive. Alright, so it is the worst snowstorm I ever seen since I moved to Sweden. And it's like, oh my god, it's so much snow. It's crazy. Just get back home and then can't even get to a driveway. So it's almost 15 centimeters of snow, so I have to clean that and then park the car. Oh my god, it's so much snow again. But it's beautiful, sun is coming out. Yesterday was minus how much?
Like I was freezing.
No, how much? Minus 20 was yesterday.
Yeah. But
Today is nice, it's minus 5.
do you know why it's winter in Sweden?
No.
It's almost gonna be Christmas.
Yes, it's Christmas next week. But it's a wind warning and it will snow coming today as well. As you see, these clouds are coming. And we are taking Didi for a walk, which is a really hard job as she doesn't like to walk.
And I don't know why she's scared for everything.
Yeah, I know.
Especially for dogs.
Oh, look, and Imcha is very nice. She's telling her to go. And Didi is going. Go, Didi.
And Didi is most scared of cars.
Yeah, I know. And horses.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
Sunday morning.
Yeah. 4th of Advent.
Yes, 4th of Advent. That's the last Sunday of Advent.
6 days till Christmas.
And then in 6 days we have Christmas.
Yeah.
And what do you guys do Christmas morning?
We open presents.
Oh.
But only some presents because we got.
Then we open, yeah, some in the morning and then some in the evening when everyone comes. So
And we will also, and Santa will come there.
Santa will come and give you the present. Yeah, so it's the last week of Christmas, before the Christmas, and then last week for kids. Then you have a Christmas holidays
Yeah.
for almost till next year.
So on Thursday, the week starts coming. School is the last day, and then we have
You don't go on Friday?
no.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay, then Thursday is their last day.
Yeah.
And what's today? World Cup final.
Oh yeah.
Yay!
We're going to watch that right
No,
now.
you cannot because you're having a dance show at the same time.
Yeah, but we don't need to watch the don't need to watch it live. We can just watch it.
What was the point? But I want Argentina to win the World Cup. You want France or Argentina?
France.
Okay, you? France or Argentina?
Argentina.
Good, because we love Messi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Messi is
me and
the
Jaden
best
versus Imcha. Let's see who wins the World Cup. But yeah, and Imcha
Because
having a
Messi-
dance show also, which
Messi is the best one at football.
yeah, exactly. But Imcha having a dance show starting at the same time as the World Cup. So
When is it start?
I don't know, when in your dance show it's gonna be all the moms are coming, probably dads are all watching the football.
But we will see when we dance, and YouTube don't copyright because there's music in the bathroom. It's called dance.
We will,
Dance. You need to.
I will record some, but not with the music. I will put my own music.
Okay.
All right. So
Jag kommer lyssna på det VM.
All our family waiting to go in.
Det finns ett VM, det är jag fjärde.
Imcha's dance show. Jaden, are you excited?
Yeah, and I'm
You gonna
cold.
cheer for Imcha?
Yeah, and I'm cold as well.
Yes, we all are cold.
Yes, go Imcha.
Go Imcha.
And I'm running.
Heya Imcha.
Heja Imcha.
Heya Imcha.
Hey, not the organizers who took this place, who took this event and changed them as the World Cup final.
Exakt. Hey Jaden, why are you here? Imcha's dance show.
Roligt att det är så många som är här. För er som inte har träffat mig förut så heter jag Amanda Ragnemo och det är jag som har grundat, äger och driver i Norrtälje här i Norrtälje. Och ja, nu är det snart jul igen och det är dags för en till show. Det känns som att det var igår som vi hade våran avslutning för vårterminen. Det har gått så himla fort verkligen. Huset och ljudet och låtmixar och allt vad det är. De sitter där uppe, Stefan och gänget. Gemenskap genom att de peppar varandra. Så de har varit lite nervösa idag. Så precis som jag sa 4-5, eller ni ska alltid vara världens bästa publik. För de här rockar, de har varit så jäkla bra. Det har de, faktiskt. Ta fram dem, jag gör det. Okej, Go Charlie, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Jag skojar.
just a pretty face. Harder than every single man, it's just the way. Job every day, she's overworked and underpaid, just cause the way her body's made. Next selection. Low-so, in case you ain't know so. Yeah. You got fashion and style, like a the crowd. No one else matters. Standing up with the kids.